Hi everyone, and welcome back to Chelle's Glam Home. Well, today I'm excited to share another collaboration video hosted by my beautiful friends Bella from Bella D Designs as well as Angela from Angela's Hangout. I hope you enjoy. This is the Thanksgiving bar cart collaboration, and although I don't have a bar cart myself, I thought I'd still play along and give you some inspirational ideas. I chose to use my little round mirrored side table. I love this little table and I had a wonderful idea to make it look like a bar cart. Now guys, I just recently went shopping at TK Maxx and found this absolutely gorgeous Glam Lazy Susan. So I placed it into the centre of my table. I started by adding these beautiful marble coasters. I picked these up probably about 2 years ago from TK Maxx and I absolutely love their style. I then added my very favourite wine to the table and I placed it at the back of the Lazy Susan. I then added these gorgeous rose gold champagne glasses that I picked up last year from Kmart, but if you're after them guys, I know they're in Kmart right now. I then added this beautiful sign from TK Maxx. I thought it was so appropriate for Thanksgiving. We rise by lifting others, and that certainly has been the case throughout the YouTube community. I've always been about this beautiful quote, guys. There's nothing more exciting than raising and lifting others, and you have proven that to me over the last few days. The love and support I have got from all of you really does make me so happy. And keeping with the Thanksgiving tradition, I took this Target Australia glitter light pumpkin and added it to the back of my bar cart. Also from Target Australia, I added this beautiful fuchsia pink glitter pumpkin. How sparkly and glam is it? And I added it to the top of my coasters. I also added the gold glitter one to the right hand side. And to finalise my bar cart, I then took this gold pumpkin. Now guys, the lid comes off here and I like to use this to put ice inside. It's from the store Pillow Talk Australia about a year ago. And guys, here is my adorable mini bar cart. Guys, I'm so happy with how this came. Just by taking a few simple ideas, I was able to create something with a Thanksgiving theme for the season. I always in life, guys, try to live by a beautiful quote that I found a few years ago. There is always something to be thankful for. And I think this is a testimony to the two beautiful women hosting this collaboration. I am so grateful and thankful for their friendship, and I'll always be there for them. With Thanksgiving all about gratitude and being grateful, I have never been so grateful in all my life, guys, from the love, support and care that I have found from this beautiful decor community. Now to finish the video, Bella and Angela asked us to show a recipe for our favourite Thanksgiving drink. I started by creating mine with cutting up some apple slices. I then took this little adorable eyelash coaster and placed it on the left hand side, and I added my apple slices there. I then took my rose gold champagne glass. I then took my apple cider and I added a small amount to the glass. Probably about 5 tablespoons here, guys. I then took my favourite champagne and I filled up the glass. I then took one of those slices of apple and I sat it on the side. And here is my favourite Thanksgiving drink. A big cheers goes to my beautiful friends Angela from Angela's Hangout and beautiful Bella from Bella D Design. Guys, be sure to check out Bella and Angela's channels. I'll leave links to them down below, as well as all the other participants who have participated in this wonderful collaboration. So thank you so much for watching, guys. I truly hope you've enjoyed this video, and I want to wish you all a wonderful Thanksgiving. Always remember, guys, to rise and lift people up. There is no greater feeling. Always remember to be kind, and always, always remember to be grateful. Don't forget, guys, to like, share and subscribe to my channel, because I'll be back real soon with more DIY projects, inspirational ideas and room tours here at Chelle's Glam Home. So until next time, my friends, I thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.